If you come from a WordPress background, you'll probably in your blog have like the date and then the title in your blog URL. And you can do this on Squarespace. So personally, I usually just like the URL slug to be the title of the blog. But I know some people like the dates in there and a few more other things that you can format. And if we go into Squarespace's menu system, we can do this really, really easily. So we can change the default format for blog post URLs. Now, if we go into settings and then we go down into blog preferences, you'll see that we have post URL format here. Now, the easiest way to set this up is just to hover over the question mark here, and it's going to bring up top left. You'll be able to see that we have the formatting menu here. So the percentage sign, I'm sure there's an actual name for the percentage sign. I'm going to call it the percentage sign. And then Y is going to give you the year. And then M is going to be the month, D is going to be the day, and then T, which it usually is just by default, is the title. So Squarespace is going to give you an example down here, which is your site title, and then blog page URL. So usually people's blog is just going to be called blog. So it'd be like yoursitetitle.com/blog/title. Now, if I then go in here, I'll put that percentage sign, and then I'll say Y, and then I'll do the percentage sign again. You can see that it's going to have the year that it was posted. Now, I can do it again, and I can say percentage and then D. Now, one thing you'll notice if I zoom in here is that there's no dashes between anything. So what you have to do is manually put these dashes in. So put that in, and then I'm missing a percentage sign in there. Now you can see 2025, February 20, and then I need one more dash. So I'll put that in there, and then we have the title that will start. And you can mix this round. So if you do the day first, then you can add this in here and put a dash in there, and you can see, okay, 2025, 20th of February, and then title. You can also just add random things in. So if you want something just before everything, like my cool blog, I don't know why you would want that, but you can do that. So you can append basically any verbiage that you want before or after, just like this. So if you're happy to move forward like this, then good to go, hit save, and all of your blog posts will start with this. So let's go into pages and blog, and we will add a new blog in here, and we'll just say example blog. I'm going to save that. And then if I go into the back end, so if I click on the three dots and settings and then go down to the URL, you can see Squarespace has already loaded this in. So my cool blog 2025 22, and then the title of that blog. And that is that. So nice and easy. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.